Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open or create your free demo account. So right now we can click right here on Google and search for it, and then you will come right here to this page. So now what we need to do is we need to fill in all the information right here. So we will do this real quick. Select also the MetaTrader 5 right here, and then after this we click on Submit. And then right now we received a confirmation mail for a demo account. So we refresh our email. First of all, click here, access the platform. And then from here we received a mail, and in that mail we can do everything correct. So let's say we want to log in on the web. We click right here on web, and then he's sending us through this page. And now we scroll up, and now what we're gonna do is we copy our username right there and we paste it there. And we go back and copy this password and we paste it right there. Now we click on connect to account, and boom, there we are guys. Now we are having our demo account right here, and now we can start trading. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.